Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself, and our two guests, Ronnie, Sue, and Krista. In celebration of St. Patrick's Day, Shannon came up with this fun, creative idea. You have $25 to spend from your scrappy pot of gold, and you see the list of items to the right. Since tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day, I really tuned in to that theme for St. Patrick's Day, and I went through my scrappy stash of pattern paper and selected as many items as I could that were in green. Then I got out my Creative Memories circle cutting system and cut 3 different size circles. I then found 3 photographs of my great nephew in green taken. This photograph was taken last year on St. Patrick's Day when my niece was visiting. So now I'm going to take the circles and the different pattern papers and layer and tuck, and I'm going to go vertically from left to right, just on a slight angle. But then I started changing my mind gradually. So you'll see that my circles keep shifting a little bit more over and a little bit more over until I am straight centered vertically. I mean, it does push out a little bit, but as you can tell with the circle on that mat, I'm over to the number 5 or 4, and then I slowly move that first circle to the bottom where it's basically centered right in the number 6. All right, well, I'm a little bit ahead of myself and you're watching me arrange these circles and tuck them in. Let me remind you that listed below in the description box is all the ladies' links to their channel so that you can go see what they created this Monday, March the 16th. All right, now also within those different colors of pattern paper, and some you can tell are definitely all green, and then I have some stripes, and then I have some flowers, and then you'll see the kind of clear one. So that is an old acetate polka dot pattern paper that was put out a few years ago by, was it Bo Bunny? I think it was, or Bella Boulevard. It might have been Bella, it's Bella Boulevard. Now, the other pattern papers, I cannot tell you what collection they came from. Also, my 3 photographs that I'm documenting my great nephew. I also used the Creative Circle cutting system and cut out 2 pattern papers, one in white polka dot and the other one in the black solid cardstock from Close to My Heart, and I double matted those photographs. Now you see the large one in the middle, then the smaller one is layered on top, and then there's another small one in the lower left corner. That one will get moved up where my hand is right there on that green flower piece. It gets moved up. I also will bring in the Heidi Swap Color Shine in black and gold. I had a little bit of trouble. Oh, those are my embellishments that I'm going to try to find as many green elements from those embellishments. But before I get started, that's why I started talking about the Heidi Swap Color Shine in gold. My black nozzle got clogged up, and I, for whatever reason, I don't know why I didn't grab a baby wipe to just wipe that nozzle, but I just poured some out on a piece of paper, watered it down a little bit, and when it dried, it turned more of like a metal metallic color, which was super cool. And then I added the gold. Now I did get a couple gold splatters where I didn't want them, and so that's why my splatters on the left-hand side came all the way down the page. I really just wanted a little bit in the left side and then a little bit over to the lower right side for where I'm going to do some journaling. And then, of course, the splatters that are in the upper right-hand corner turned out perfect. All right, off to my title. I thought I wanted to put the title there, Wild Child, up at the top, but the alphas in that chipboard is too small. So I knew I wanted to put some journaling in the lower right-hand corner, so I put that as like, well, it can be my title or subtitle, it doesn't matter. Then I got out a sticker element from Pink Fresh Studio, that puffy one in the upper left corner there is also from Pink Fresh Studio. It says Full Heart. And now I'm going back and forth on my cluster, so I'm sorry. I found another little sticker pad that said weekend because my niece and great nephew were up over a long weekend. Then that banner tag said this was so fun, and he's playing with a bunch of cups because just like when you travel on by plane, you can't pack all the little kids' toys and stuff. You got to pack what's the necessity. So you just get out items that you have at your house. And so we got out plastic cups. And so that's what he did, was play that longer chipboard piece that says Little Explorer that comes from Close to My Heart. And this layout is complete. The still shots are coming up. Be sure to get out your photographs and your papers and play along. Document those memories in a fun, creative way. And we will see you next time. Give us a thumbs up and make sure you check out the other ladies and keep coming back. All right, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for stopping by.